Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Airport Set 60100 from 2016 to 2018. And there are 4 minifigures in this set. Also you get this beautiful helicopter. And you also get this lady transporting fuel to the helicopter on a trolley. There are 2 trolleys in the set, and also a man that's a mechanic, and also a guy to show the helicopter can take off or land. Unfortunately, this piece is not part of the set. I'm just using it so that the minifigure can stand. And this would make a nice addition to your LEGO City for an airport theme. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below. And please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my email is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.